How do I restart my Peloton equipment?
Hello, Peloton enthusiasts. We're going to dive into a simple yet critical task today, restarting your Peloton equipment. Whether it's a regular maintenance task or you're troubleshooting a problem, knowing how to correctly restart your Peloton can save you from unnecessary headaches. So, let's dive in.
Why should I restart my Peloton equipment?
Restarting your Peloton equipment can resolve minor software glitches, improve system performance, and allow your device to run more efficiently. It's similar to refreshing your computer or smartphone when it seems to be running slower than usual or not functioning properly.
Before you restart,
ensure that you have saved any active workout data. Restarting your Peloton may result in the loss of unsaved data. Also, remember to be patient. Sometimes, the system might take a while to boot up again.
how to restart the Peloton bike or tread?
1. Locate the power button. On the Peloton bike, it's on the top of the touchscreen. On the Peloton tread, you'll find it at the bottom of the screen. 2. Press and hold the power button. Do this until the screen goes black, which should take only a few seconds. 3. Wait for the system to power down. This might take a few more seconds. 4. After the screen is entirely black, press and hold the power button again to turn the device back on. 5. Wait for the system to restart. This could take a minute or two, depending on the device. Restarting your Peloton equipment is as simple as that. Now you can get back to your workouts with a refreshed system ready to support your fitness goals. Remember, if you continue to experience issues, you may need to reach out to Peloton's customer support for further assistance. Here's to smoother, more efficient workouts. Happy cycling and running!